Is there anything more heartbreaking than a messy floor and a smart vacuum that's decided to take a permanent nap? This is the dreaded cannot charge issue, and it is a surprisingly common headache for owners of the Roborock Dyad Pro. You dock it, you check the connections, but the power percentage stays at 0. So why the silent treatment? Our diagnostic tests at Robocare almost always point to one culprit: a faulty battery. Over time, or due to cell failure, the battery stops accepting current from the dock, effectively cutting the lifeline to your vacuum's motor. But don't panic. Robocare specializes in this exact vacuum repair. We aren't just general repairmen, we are specialists in advanced vacuum repair. Our technicians have years of experience working specifically with Roborock's wet-dry technology. We know the Dyad Pro inside and out, understanding exactly how the water sealing and internal circuitry work together. While others might guess it's a broken dock, we use precise multimeter diagnostics to confirm the root cause is indeed a faulty battery. To fix this, we carefully disassemble the housing, safely extract the dead power unit, and replace it with a genuine component. But seeing is believing, right? Let's show you some results. Look at that! It's charging perfectly and cleaning with full power again. We've restored it to factory-fresh performance. Don't let a dead battery stop the clean. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.